Hello, I'm Anna from CS department. I've come here to demonstrate on the data structure program of singly linked list. In a singly linked list, you can actually insert an element in the beginning, insert an element in the end, and you can insert an element in a particular position too, and you can delete it, and you can search for the element, and you can display everything. I've started the program with the header file. I've used the namespace of standard, and I've started with a structure that is node, and I've used all the data variables, and that is int data node, and I've used the star of next, that is to store the value, and I've used a pointer of ed and a pointer of monkey to store the value of a temporary variable, and I've used the first function, that is the void instead at the beginning, that is to insert a element at the beginning. There I've used node pointer temp is equals to new node. I've used the output statement as enter the data to be inserted, and cin will be temp that tends to data, and the temp tends to next, that is equals to ed, and ed is equals to temp. And I've used the next function, that is void append, that is to insert a data at the end. So node star of temp is equals to new node, that is this new node value will be saved in this pointer, and output will be enter the data to be inserted, and cin which we are going to give is like similar to the first one, but this will be equal to null, and you will have a condition that ed is equal to null, then the ed is equals to temp, or else the monkey will be equal to the head. And while monkey tends to next, that should not be equal to null, and you will have monkey is equals to monkey will tend to the next, and if the monkey tends to the next, like the value should be equal to the temp. And I will have the next function, that is for void insert, that is int key, that is for the particular position. So node pointer of temp is equals to new node, and I'm actually initializing a value, flag is equals to 0, and if it is equal to null, you will have a statement as the list is empty, and or else you'll have monkey is equals to head, and you'll have a condition while monkey is not equal to null, and you'll have another if loop where you'll have the conditions given here is monkey will tend into data that is equal to the key, and you'll have enter the data to be inserted, and the input will be temp that tends to data, temp tends to next, that is equals to monkey also will tend to next, and when the monkey tends to next is equals to temporary, that is it will ask you to enter the previously entered value, and the data will be inserted before that value, and I'm initializing flag is equals to 1 here, then you will have a break, and then it will take on to the same formula again, and this time you will have that monkey is equals to monkey to the next, and I'm giving flag is equals to 0, then the key will not be found if you give a wrong search. And then I'm giving a function for the void delete, that is int value here. Instead of keep using value here, same condition goes as it is, and you have null is equal to ed is equal to null, then the list is empty. Here instead of key you will have value, and you will have one small change, that is temp is equals to ed, and ed is equals to ed will point to the next, and then you will be detecting the temporary variable, and you will have while monkey tends to next is not equal to null, and you will have if condition where a monkey will tend to next, that will tend to data that is equal to value, then temp is equals to monkey tend to next, monkey tend to next is equals to temp also will tend to next, where you will be deleting the temporary variable, or else the monkey will be equal to monkey that tends to next. Then you will have a function for the void display, that is monkey is equals to ed, while the monkey is not equal to null, then the cout will be monkey that tends to data, monkey is equals to monkey to next, and you'll have the cout as null, and you'll have for the void searching, that is you'll have post is equals to 1 and flag is equals to 0, monkey is equals to ed, then the cout is equals to enter the value to search, and the input value will be for the value, and where you will have a while loop there, that is monkey is not equal to null, and where the if condition is monkey that tends to data is equals to the value, then your value is found at a particular position, the flag will be incremented, and again you will have otherwise monkey is equals to monkey will tend to next, where the post will be incremented, and you will have if condition flag is equal to 0, the value is not in the list, and finally here comes the hint main, where all the user's choice has been declared under the variables. First to insert a variable in the beginning, and to insert at the end, insert at a particular position, deletion, display, searching, and exit, and I've used a switch case. So each and every one thing that tends to each and every case. First is to insert at the beginning, then to the end, then at a particular position, and then to delete, display, and search. I have finally ended the while loop of the condition, that is while is a while of 1, and now let's see the output. So I am giving 1. The data to be inserted is 45. I am giving again 2 to insert a data at the end, and then I'm inserting an other data. Now I'm going to insert a data in a particular position. For a particular position, the command is 3. I have to enter the previous value which I've entered, that is 62. Then the data now I'm going to insert is 95. So the data will be inserted. Let's see the display now. It has been displayed 62, 95, 45 and 52. And now let's delete a variable 4. Enter the value to be deleted 45. And now let's see the display. Now the element has been deleted. And 6 is for the searching. Now let's search something. Enter a value to search. I'm going to search 52. So the value has been found at the position. So I'm finally giving exit. So the process has been written. So this is the end of the program. Thank you.